Now we understand the functions of insurance. The functions of insurance are certainty of payment, protection, sharing of risk, promotes economic development, and improves the efficiency. Now we will understand each of this function one by one. The various functions of insurance are as follows. First is certainty of payment. Insurance companies provide certainty of payment in the event of a loss from specified perils. Time of occurrence of loss and the amount of loss both are unpredictable. The insurer charges the premium and assures the payment on the happening of insured risks. Second function is protection. The second main function of insurance is to provide protection against possibility of loss. Insurance company cannot stop the happening of a risk or event, but can compensate the insured person for losses resulting from the risk. Third function is sharing of risk. People purchase insurance and in lieu thereof pay premium to the insurance company. On the happening of a risk event, the loss suffered by any of the insured is paid out of the premium amount paid by these policyholders to the insurance company, and thus risk is shared by many persons. Fourth function of insurance is it promotes economic development. The insurance companies accumulate a lot of funds by way of premium payments. The insurer invests these accumulated funds in the shares of various companies and other investment avenues for earning profit. This leads to economic development of the country. For example, Life Insurance Corporation of India owns stocks, that is shares of different companies worth rupees 9.5 lakh crore. Fifth function is insurance improves the efficiency. As the insurance provides guarantee for compensation in the event of mishap, it relieves the businessman of worries and tension of risk. This leads to better productivity and improvement in efficiency of the organization. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.